What I wish I knew about my Ford F-150's auto start-stop feature before it stopped working. So, your Ford F-150's auto start-stop feature isn't working? Don't worry, it's more common than you think. Let's break down the possible reasons why. First up, your battery might be the culprit. If the battery charge is low, the system won't engage to save power. Make sure your battery is in good condition, and consider getting it tested. Next, check your engine temperature. If the engine is too cold or too hot, the auto start-stop feature will stay off. Let your engine warm up properly, especially on chilly mornings. Another reason could be your seatbelt. Believe it or not, the system needs both the driver and front passenger seatbelts fastened to work. So, buckle up. Don't forget about the doors. If any door, including the hood, is open or not closed properly, the feature won't activate. Double-check all doors are securely shut. Lastly, if you've got the air conditioning or defroster running on high, the system might stay off to keep you comfortable. Try turning them down to see if that helps. Remember, this feature is designed to save fuel and reduce emissions, but it relies on several factors to function correctly. So, next time your Ford F-150's auto start-stop isn't working, check these common issues first. You might just solve the problem yourself. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more car tips.